Hi there! So, you've set up your Brand24 project but no mentions are showing up? Don't worry, it happens. Let's go through the most common reasons why your project might be empty and how to fix it. First, check your keywords. Your keywords are the core of your project. If they're off, you won't get the results you expect. If your keyword is unpopular, like the name of a brand new startup that no one's talking about yet, Brand24 might not find any mentions. In that case, try monitoring your industry or category instead. For example, instead of tracking EcoGlow, you could track eco skincare or sustainable beauty. Avoid long, overly specific keywords too. Tracking a full sentence like best eco-friendly skincare product in New York probably won't bring results. Shorter phrases like eco skincare work much better. And don't use generic words such as the, and, or in. They are ignored by search engines. Good keywords are short, clear, and specific, like Nike, just do it, or hashtag just do it. Next, make sure to include words variations. People write names and brands in different ways. If you're tracking CD project, also add CD project without the space and hashtag CD project. Including different versions help you collect a wider range of mentions. Here's another simple one: spelling. Even one small typo in your keywords can make your project empty. Double check all your keywords just in case. Another common issue is missing integrations. If you haven't connected your Facebook and Instagram accounts, you might be missing a lot of mentions, especially from hashtags. Go to your project settings and link your social media accounts. It will make your results much richer. We have a dedicated video to resolve this issue. Feel free to check it out. Now, let's talk about required and excluded words. If your project is still empty, check these settings carefully. Sometimes people accidentally exclude their main keyword. That makes it impossible to find any mentions. If you added multiple required words separated by commas, Brand24 will look for mentions that include all of them in one post, and that's usually too strict. Keep your list simple and make sure you're not over-filtering your results. Next up, sources. Every project can track mentions from places like X, Instagram, blogs, and forums. But if any of those sources are turned off, you'll miss those mentions. Go to your project settings, open the sources section, and make sure that the platform you want are enabled. Sometimes specific sites might also be disabled by mistake. Double check if you haven't excluded any site you actually want to monitor. It's easy to do that accidentally when filtering out authors. If everything looks fine so far, check the date range. By default, your project shows mentions from the past 30 days. But if you don't see anything, try extending the range to older dates. There might be mentions hiding in past months. To keep everything running smoothly, check your integrations and settings once in a while. Make sure your sources are active and your keywords make sense. And if you've gone through all these steps but your project is still empty, don't stress. Reach out to your customer success team and we'll help you set it up correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching and good luck fixing your project.